Welcome back to the MoCA course. In this lesson, we'll explore the language domain, which evaluates a person's verbal abilities through sentence repetition and verbal fluency tasks. These are crucial for assessing expressive language, auditory memory, grammar comprehension, and executive function. Mastering these tasks is essential for interpreting MoCA results accurately and ensuring you're fully prepared for what this section demands. Understanding the language domain. The language domain of the MoCA focuses on two specific and testable areas. Sentence repetition tests auditory verbal memory and syntactic processing. Verbal fluency measures lexical access, language production, and executive functioning. Together, these tasks account for 3 points on the MoCA's 30-point scale. Sentence repetition, what it tests. Working memory. Auditory processing. Syntactic structure understanding. Verbal articulation. Test format. The examiner reads 2 grammatically complex sentences aloud, and the test taker must repeat each one exactly as heard. The sentences often include embedded clauses, abstract or less common word choices, unusual phrasing, example sentences, MoCA official style. I only know that John is the one to help today. The cat always hid under the couch when dogs were in the room. Scoring criteria. 1 point per sentence repeated verbatim. 0 points if the sentence is changed, reworded, or contains omissions or substitutions. Common errors to watch. Leaving out small but important words. Example, that, when. Reordering the sentence. Using synonyms instead of the exact words. Tips for performance. Focus on listening closely to word order. Avoid paraphrasing, even if meaning stays the same, that results in a 0. Repetition must be immediate and without prompts. Verbal fluency task. What it tests. Language retrieval. Lexical access. Speed of word generation. Executive control and self-monitoring. Test format. The test taker is asked to generate as many words as possible that begin with a specific letter, usually F, in 60 seconds. Important rule. Only real words are accepted. Proper nouns, example, names or places, are not allowed. Word variations with different endings, example, fun, funny, count separately. Repetitions and invalid words do not count. Example prompt. Tell me as many words as you can that begin with the letter F. You have 1 minute. Go. Scoring criteria. 1 point is awarded if the test taker produces 11 or more valid words within 60 seconds. 0 points for 10 or fewer. Common mistakes. Saying names or brands. Example, Facebook, Fred. Using the same root word repeatedly with slight modifications. Getting stuck or repeating words already said. Why this domain matters. The language section is critical because it identifies early signs of aphasia, which may not show up in casual conversation. It can reveal frontal lobe dysfunction, especially in the fluency task. It tests both automatic language ability and controlled, effortful production. Clinicians use this domain to evaluate language strength and executive function simultaneously, making it a sensitive indicator of multiple cognitive issues, including dementia, stroke, or brain injury. Lesson recap. In this lesson, we explored the language domain of the MoCA, which includes sentence repetition, repeat 2 complex sentences word for word, equivalent to 2 points. Verbal fluency, name at least 11 words starting with a specific letter in 60 seconds, equivalent to 1 point. This domain measures more than just vocabulary. It captures how well someone understands, processes, and generates language under time pressure. Practicing this area helps ensure clear understanding and accurate administration during the real MoCA exam.